Welcome to the internationally acclaimed Powertank cleaning system. We are proud to be a world leader in the removal of black carbon buildup, typically found in industrial kitchens and food preparation institutions. With Powertank, we can show you how we can save your business thousands of dollars each year, giving you a cleaner, healthier, safer, and more cost-efficient kitchen. Before Powertank, removing black carbon crust buildup was labor-intensive and time-consuming. This involved using harmful chemicals and hours of vigorous scrubbing using wire brushes and other harsh cleaning methods, often leaving your equipment scoured, abrasive, or damaged. With Powertank, you will be diminishing this hardship and replacing your kitchen equipment less often, reducing the time wasted cleaning and scrubbing, and saving money on outside services. The Powertank is a specially designed food-grade stainless steel double-skin soak tank with a thermostatically controlled heating element. Use the Powertank to effortlessly remove carbon and grease buildup from kitchen equipment with the use of our proudly Canadian and environmentally friendly Enviro Soak formula. Our Enviro Soak formula is the only formula of its kind that is approved by the Canadian Food Inspection Agency and meets all international standards. Enviro Soak is non-toxic, non-caustic, and is biodegradable, helping to save our environment and water purification plants. This system is proven to kill 99.9% of all bacteria, including Salmonella and E. coli. Simply fill the Powertank with hot water. Add the EnviroSoak formula, which creates an optimal pH balanced cleaning solution, and load your dirty kitchen equipment into the tank. Depending on the type of equipment and the buildup, items will be fully cleaned in as little as 20 minutes of soaking. There's nothing else to it. Simply soak, wait, then rinse. Your kitchen equipment will be spotlessly clean in under 24 hours. The Powertank is the perfect solution for all sorts of kitchen equipment, from pans, racks, bowls and cutlery, to stovetops, hood filters, and more. Our Powertanks are available in multiple sizes to suit establishments of all sizes. Our solution is guaranteed to not only reduce labor costs, but will also reduce your water bill. Each tank of EnviroSoak lasts up to 30 days. There's no need to change the water during this time. Simply skim the fats and oils off the surface of the water, and your Powertank is ready to clean another load. Cooking with carbon-free cookware is healthier, resulting in better-tasting meals and keeping your customers coming back for more. Powertank has been in business for over 15 years, and we are proud to carry our 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Join hundreds of satisfied customers by saying goodbye to endless hours of scrubbing, manual labor, outsourced services, and costly damaging chemicals. Are you ready to join the Powertank revolution? Speak to a representative today and find out for yourself how we can help improve your kitchen and dramatically reduce your cleaning and cookware replacement costs. Don't scrub it, just soak it.